Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Python with SQL Server using SQL Alchemy and PyODBC. This is not going to be just copy paste coding. I'll explain what every line means, why we use it, and how Python actually communicates with SQL Server internally. So let's begin. First, I created a Python file called database and inside this file I imported two libraries. These two libraries, URL library and SQL Alchemy. These two files are very important, and these two libraries are going to help us connect Python with SQL Server. URL library helps safely encode the database connection string, and SQL Alchemy helps create something called an engine. Now, what exactly is an engine? An engine is basically a communication bridge between Python and SQL Server. Python cannot directly talk to a database, so SQL Alchemy and PyODBC help create the communication layer. PyODBC is also a library, but we have installed this using pip in our CMD. Pip install PyODBC inside this folder file. Next, I created a function called getEngine. Inside this function, I defined my server name. This is my server name. We get this server name in MySQL. We can see there. And database, I have named my database as Retail Inventory Database. The server is my SQL Server instance. Okay. Now, after that comes one of the most important part, the connection string. Okay. So inside URL library dot parse code underscore plus, I defined the server name database name. See here, this is my server name. This server I am calling here, and database name, and ODBC driver and trusted connection. Now, the ODBC driver is extremely important because Python and SQL Server speak different internal protocols. The ODBC driver acts like a translator between them. Without the correct driver, the connection will fail. Then comes the most important line in the entire code, create engine. This line creates the SQL Alchemy engine. MS SQL means we are connecting to Microsoft SQL Server. PyODBC means we are using the PyODBC library for communication. After the encoded connection string is passed through ODBC Connect, this engine manages database connections, query execution, and communication handling internally. After connecting the engine, I returned it from the function. Then, inside the main block, I used try except block to safely test the connection. Inside engine connect, inside engine.connect, Python tries to establish communication with SQL Server. If everything works correctly, it prints successfully connected. And if something fails like wrong driver, wrong server name or syntax issue, the Python catches the exception and prints the error message.